Finding the right talent is going to be focus of every HR department in 2022. Nowadays positions are really hard to get filled as most of the quality workers switched or in the process of switching jobs and trying new roles due to health concerns, increased workloads, unrealistic manager expectations are pushing many to the breaking point. This is the right time to understand and make some changes in the hiring process to overcome these challenges. Here are the 5 tips for recruiters to fill hard and complex positions. Understanding the requirement is very important. Research about the skill that are very challenging, sometimes it may have been rebranded or renamed. Identify the user community for that skill, outreach to them via the group and find more about the technology. Never underestimate employee references. People already work with UX as a brand ambassador and they tend to bring quality and potential talents to you. Don't forget you are a matchmaker. Offer the candidate best market salary and benefits possible. You need to find the right candidate for the job and do not look for perfect. Go for candidate with potential instead of exact skill match. Try LinkedIn connection and groups for finding same industry candidate with similar profiles. Try out candidates from other states not only within driving distance. Now being most jobs work from home, even far away candidates can apply. But make sure 100% they are willing to relocate if required. Thank you for reading this. Please follow us for more recruiting tips.